welcome back to Vasha Vidya's YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do press the bell icon also, so whenever I update the video you'll be getting the notification.
That you play. Come on, you want it. Come on and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else. You.
So guys, I'm back with an haul videos on your request that I've seen many comments on my video that do the video on kurti set like ethnic wear. Like you can wear this for daily uses for college and office also guys. That comfortable kurtis I have brought from Myntra. So without further ado, let's begin. Firstly, this beautiful kurti from brand called Sangria guys. This beautiful floral embroidered kurti which comes with V-neck, and this is an A-line kurti guys, which has 3/4 sleeve, and at the sleeve they have given slight this golden color design, and top they have not given any design guys. The fabric is silk blend fabric. So this is so beautiful to wear guys. I love the color. We come for the trouser. The trouser is also very nice. They have given the inner lining also for the trouser. So the end they have given this beautiful design guys, which is so beautiful, and I loved this kurti like anything because color is so attractive. When we come for the dupatta, that is net dupatta they have given with small embroidery designs, which is so good. I bought this in the size yes guys for 1567 rupees. This kurti is also available in different colors also, like blue, purple, pink, green and all. So this is a good deal to grab guys. So go and check it. Next is this beautiful kurta from the brand called Anu guys. This is a floral oak design kind of kurta. This is also straight A-line cut kurta guys, which has few ari work at the neck. A V-neck it has. And the sleeves is 3/4 sleeves they have given, and the lengthwise is also good, and the fabric is pure cotton guys. So super to wear on daily basis for college as well as office. This comes with a beautiful patiala pant and a dupatta, which is so beautiful. Same on same print they have given the dupatta as well as this patiala pant also. This patiala pant they have given the elastic at the waist, and the down bottom they have not given much detailing. A simple lace kind of detailing they have given. This is so nice to wear on daily basis guys. This one I bought in the size yes for just rupees 1554 rupees. A nice top-notch deal for me guys. I love the kurta like anything. And this kurta has other different colors also, like yellow, blue and orange. So check that also guys. Next kurti is also from the brand called Anok. This is also a similar kind of kurta guys, with a floral print design and the cotton fabric. This comes with a few thread work with V-neck it comes, and 3/4 sleeves they have given guys. At the sleeves also they have given a slight thread work design. So this is so super to wear on daily basis, like for college and office. This is not straight cut. This is an anarkali cut kurtis, which has a beautiful pajama pant. At the waist they have given the elasticated, which has pocket also in it. And a beautiful cotton dupatta they have given. At dupatta small this kind of design also they have given. This is also super guys. This one I bought in the size yes for just rupees 1344 rupees, and I loved the comfort after wearing this guys. This is super comfortable to wear also. So this is a nice deal. Next one is this beautiful kurti from the brand Kalini only. This is like chiffon material guys, with this box neck and thread work they have given at the neck. Rest of the top, full top is plain guys. There is no design. And this is also 3/4 sleeves, which is so good, and I loved the comfort after wearing this dress because it's super comfortable. This also I bought in the size S for rupees 1187 rupees guys. This also has a bottom trouser which has an elasticated at the back side, but front there is no elastic. A straight cut pant they have given, and in chiffon material only they have given this dupatta also, yellow color dupatta, which is so nice, and you can style it as you want, like have styled in two styles. You can check at this side where I have pinned. I love this also you can wear as an ethnic wear as well as party wear also, which is so beautiful guys. I loved it. According to the way you style, like you can wear with a small pearl design chain or a earring is enough for this. It is so good. I love this guys. So the brand called Kalini, which has a V-neck and they have given slight mirror work. This also come with a floral design guys, and there is a tying at the front. You can tie like this at the side or at the front or back. It's up to you. The styling is up to you. I have styled in both the ways, and the sleeves comes in 3/4 sleeves, and there they have given slide this design guys, and the length is below the knee, and the design is also awesome guys. This kurti is also available in different colors like pink, yellow and blue. So this is also a cotton fabric kurti guys. It comes with a dupatta and the trouser. Trouser has this beautiful elastic at the waist, and this is also patiala kind of pant, and the bottom they have given same design which they have given in the sleeves, and the cotton dupatta also they have given, which is a good material. I love this kind of kurta you can give for your mother also, which is like, which they may like this kind of fabrics. They may love because they have a big dupatta and all, so they may also love. This I bought for rupees 1189 rupees in the size. Yes guys, is also from the brand called Kalini. This also has a thread work, and this comes with a slight small V neck. I don't know what neck it is, and this also has 3/4 sleeves. At the sleeves they have not given much detailing. A small silver line detailing they have given. This is also A-line straight cut kurta, and at the bottom also they have small this white design guys, which is good to see. And this is also coming with a beautiful dupatta and having a trouser. Trouser does not have full elastic. At the end they have given the elastic. This is a straight cut kind of pant. I love this. This is a viscose rayon fabric guys. This one I brought for rupees 1399 in the size. Yes, kurta from brand called Anok, which has a sweetheart shape neck, and they have given little this kind of design. This is jerry work I guess, and hand also that work is there guys. This is also 3/4 length, and this top comes in anarkali shape design, which is so nice, and I love the color also guys. This kurti is also available in colors like other color is like blue, and this one is in the color pink. This one I brought for rupees 1241 rupees, which is a good deal only guys. For this also they have given this creamish color pant. Straight cut pant is there, and that pant has a pocket also. This also this pant is not fully elastic, off elastic they have given, and this pant is also in the good material. The pant comes in cotton material, and this dupatta is also in the same material, viscose rayon material they have given guys. This dupatta is also so nice. I love this kurti like anything. More than kurti, I love the pant and the dupatta, which is so nice, and I love to pair this. You can mismatch also guys with this dupatta and pant. You can wear a plain pink kurti also, so that also will go good. I don't have plain this color pink kurti. If I would have that, I would have styled it with that. So you can style by mismatching the dupatta pants with other plain kurtis also. With kurti set which I have shown are like super duper guys. You can style it up for the parties, function. It can be worn as ethnic wear also, as a daily wears also. So that's it for today guys. So hope you all enjoyed this. Don't forget to share it with your friends and your relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to comment below which is your favorite kurti among this. So until next time, see you, tata, bye bye.